Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the notification sound on Realme 7 Pro. To change the notification sound, go to Settings, then go to Sound and Vibration and scroll down to Default Notification Sound, then click on Allow, and now you can choose either a custom file or choose a tone from the Realme library. And when you click on one of them, you'll hear a preview of that, and you can also see that it's automatically set. So when you've chosen the right one, you can just go back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.